You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is b smaller than -24. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the b. Multiply both sides by 6. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is b smaller than -24.